Stop wasting time on chart analysis. Simply upload a screenshot of any chart into TradeLoon AI. It compares. AI. It compares.
Microphone. Take a phone. Bagambye batyo. Era baleke kasita bwe bamanyi bye bakola. Okukola wano anti era enteekateeka manya tugigatte wamu naye kasooka mala kulayo. Hello. Hello. Yes, hello. Hello. Yeah, let me see. Yes, hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're great. Uh, I want us to resume our live trading sessions the way I think I'm doing it right now. And today, I have a lot of reasons to give this gold buy. Yes, and so now hey, this is Junior. How are you, Junior, bro? Sudalu said, "Hey, Stuart." Might have said, "Yo, Stuart FX, yo, Flipper Chechiro, Ndike, Bro Chechiro." Okay. I have a lot of reasons to give I buy here, and I will actually give you the reasons why I'm planning to buy from that level. But at first, we need to first mark these levels. Uh, in order for you guys to take your decisions, because here I'm going to show you what I'm having actually. Uh, I'm having my entry point where you see this red line. I have my resistance zone here, but the reason why I'm still okay, I'm not doubting, but I got two entry levels, and I don't know if I should make it from. To make it simple for you guys. Let me do like this, uh, because this is all a buying zone, right? Let me just maybe make this stop loss maybe wide, maybe here, because this is all a buying zone from where the market is right now. It's a buying zone. It's a buying zone from where the market is right now. So now this will actually depend on how much you're having as capital, because once we experience some little uh once we get maybe some little manipulations, your account should be able to hold. That's why I want to tell you the fact here that I'm having my entry zones from where the market is to this level here. Let me actually mark it here. Let me actually put it here. I'm having the entry level. Entry is at what's this? 4284.802, of course, to the downside. But now let's mark also this level where I'm having my wrists. I have my levels here, which is 4278.802. let's say 500. Yeah. Oh, I know you. I think you're able to see, yeah. And this is the entry for gold that I'm having today, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm having messages from Collins Quavo. He said, "Yo, Stuart, this is a great man. Really appreciate you a lot. Thanks, bro." Um, get your own. Booty Saturday. Banange ngatu. So this is what I'm having today for you guys. And you know, guys, oh my, in most cases, my signals are always good. We live trading on YouTube, and you know how we always do it here. I'm having a message here on TikTok saying from Matov Mujib saying maybe the lives are back. Yeah, the lives are back. I don't know why you guys love live trading a lot. I don't know why. I think I'm always perfect on live trading. That's why you guys are able to like the live trading sessions. Because I know some people could be having actually the same signals that I be having, or maybe the same entries, but they lack the confidence. Someone is saying I've been lost. I told you guys, may I go on a holiday? I go on a holiday. I always want to enjoy my life also. But I think the holidays are over till December, and we have to move together because I realized that actually some people fail to actually make money when I'm not around. I have a lot of people that actually fail to make money when I'm not around. But this is a setup that I'm having right now. I don't know if any of you guys is having any like you're having maybe any setup that doesn't actually look like mine. Do you have anyone who's wishing to sell or wishing to do anything? You could at least tell us also. Then we maybe look into our setup. Because for me, I have a lot of reasons why I'm going to buy from here. Okay, and I'll be able to give you the reasons if you keep on with me. Having a buy zone from I told you, uh, you people who always trade with me, I rarely take long to have like let's say buy from here to here, maybe here to here. But the reason why I've done this is because where I've said from 4284 to 4278 is because I'm having a real entry at 4278.500. That's where my real entry is. But depending on what I've seen or depending on my calculations, I've also seen that from where the market is, we can have a buy from where the market is. And I also have reasons why I expect buys from there. Now, since it's the same zone, I decided to maybe make it larger because now I expect if this market is to move, I expect a little push, something like a manipulation before it moves. Okay, you could see that right now it's like it's not moving, it's in one place. Okay, but me I expect it to uh, do us some magic. Now I don't want you guys to focus on the take profits. I don't want you guys to focus on the take profits. I don't want you guys to focus on the take profits. Reason why I don't want you guys to focus there is that sorry, someone had called me. The reason why you should not focus actually on the 660 pips is because yes, market can go there, but that's much money, bro. And I told you in most cases when gold gives you something like 200 pips, 100 pips, 300 pips, actually 300 pips, cause they knew like to have like what they knew, okay? You guys do understand Luganda. When you get like 100 pips, 200 pips in gold, it's always easy, or it's always I always advise you maybe to do what, to quit. So now when you look at this setup is a plus setup. I believe it's a good setup, and I have reasons why it's a good setup. Yesterday night I had some buys from this zone here, and guys, I'm going to tell you the reason why I bought from this zone. I bought from this zone not because I had remember that thing that I told you, that thing about someone knowing the markets. Remember, the more time you spend on these charts, the more you learn, the more you know how markets could actually move, right? So now we had in these massive sales down, and this is not a trading view that I normally use, but the trading view I normally use, you could see some entries that I actually that I've actually been using all along. But we had in this massive sale, and guys, if I was you and I wanted to trade, we had in entries here. I'm sure this cost quote encroachment level. I think they didn't come up to this cost quote encroachment. Now, meaning also my final take profit. If this was a swing, I'm going to put it here at this cost quote encroachment level, because I'm sure when it comes at this cost quote encroachment level, we shall have in some pushings, right? We could have a massive sale from this level. You could also mark it on your ends. 4340.800. It could be a game changer also. It could be a game changer also. But right now, the reason why I bought from here, by the way, yesterday, from here, I didn't buy from here because I had like that setup, but I knew we had a massive sale, and I caught a setup at like 10 p.m. East African time at night, bro, because I knew the banks are soon closing, so we shall have in the algorithm pushing. We shall not have in the banks to maybe put in money what and what. We shall now have in the algorithm pushing, and for it, with most cases pushes the market slow. So I had in buys from there, but I regulated in the morning. Why I even closed the buys? Because if you could check from this level, actually, let me show you. Let me tell you one thing. In forex trading, money can be made easily. Money can actually be made easily. Look at these pips over, bro. These are 1,000 pips, meaning lot one is actually giving you 10,000 USD, bro. Do you know lot one giving you 10,000 USD? That's very, very, yeah, bro. These buys are valid. You could see they are valid. Just that I don't know why the market is slow, but we all know the markets do what they do. I actually made you some YouTube episode about that. The market does what the market has to do. I don't know if the English is good there, but we shall go with that. So when you look at this setup, we had in this massive push downwards, and from this massive push downwards, automatically, remember I told you whatever goes down it comes up again. We had to have this pullback, and for me I always target these pullbacks. So when we had these pullbacks, of course we are still in buys. But they cannot just like go the way someone thinks that they will just go without retracing. So they are retracing, and for me I'm sure we are getting another buy from this zone. Have you guys ever noticed about the aerial wave, what and what, how they are actually made? Okay, so those are my calculations. Now I told you the things of the markets, we can actually command them, we can actually like know where the markets can go. But since we had this impulsive move downwards, we also had to get this retracement, and also now we are having this retracement, and I'm sure markets will buy from this level. Okay, that's how things work, that's how easy the markets be. And after buying from this level, this is an anticipation that again market will grow from here, okay, to the downside. So I think guys, you could take a screenshot, you could maybe have recorded it. Yeah, remember, for me, in most cases when I trade, I always target the sell side liquidity. I always look for the buy side liquidity. I'm always on point, bro. I always look for that liquidity. Remember, liquidity is it's something that actually moves the markets. That's what I can tell you. It moves the markets. Mm. We are 30 from YouTube here. I'm having my brothers here. Adrian said I'm in sales. He said he's selling from 4-3 24 4-3 4-3 4-3 4-3 4-3 4-3 4-4 4-4. Yeah, you could actually hold, bro. You're doing good. You're doing good. You could either join us in buys, then we again come back together. Okay. Um, I'm having someone said Owen angambe neboyo oli mu ddongo. Owen, have you ever heard a saying of President Museveni when he said, "Gun eat your mother," something, something? So Owen, Owen on YouTube, Owen 7585. That saying will go to you. Having Ashman. He said you're the best. You're the best in this man. Thanks, bro. Bolik Africa said well done, great work. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Um, Colin said trading with you live builds confidence. Of course, I actually also get some confidence from you. uh, uh, yeah. So now this comes with now this comes along with now capital. You guys, could you comment how much capital you have in on your accounts? Then I could advise you. I want to see if you have the big boys here, and maybe my fellow people with small accounts. I want to give you guidance on what you could do to actually make money from this setup, right? I want to guide you. I want to guide you on the lot size that you can use, how much you can actually risk, how much you can do this and this. I've not got any comments yet. Uh, I'm having messages from Musige Joseph. He said, by the way, we missed you. I also guys missed you. But now my holidays are over, so we are coming back to work. I'm having Tiff Tours. He said, "You're my God on earth. Your signals in VIP groups work. Of course they work. Wow, that's good. I'm having someone of martial arts is having maybe 200 USD. Someone has 20 USD. It's okay, you can comment it. Why have you deleted it? 20 USD is money, bro. I don't know why you removed it. I'm having weekly with 2000 USD. Someone is saying talk about the entry strategy. We shall actually we're having a boot camp. Do they call it a boot camp or a boot camp, something like that, of FX Pesa? I'm going to choose a day. I'm going to come, guys. I teach you a trading strategy that I use live. How I get my entries. So now let's talk about this, okay? If you're having 100 USD right now, because I'm having people who are having 2,000 USD, then 1,000, 2,000 USD, something like that. I'm having people with 3K. Let me show you how these things, how you're going to enter. Okay, let me show you from where the market is. Huh? From where the market is right now to the final entry point that I actually have, the one I told you that the one that I was waiting for, there are 70 pips from where the market is. And you know how gold is, how gold is nowadays. Gold is heavy, and it's not a guarantee that from the 70 pips it will buy from there. It could actually drop more 30 pips, so it could actually buy from let's say 100 pips from now. I'm telling you now. There is that. Then there is also then there is also you guys missing the entry. Then it doesn't tap where you think that it will tap, then it buys. So my brothers, of $100, $200, you should either put a very small lot size, or we relax, stay calm with me. We either don't make money, or like we are. No, you put a small lot size, right? And when you go in profits, maybe you can do break even. Then if you're having, let's say, $1,000 and above, you could actually put in, let's say, 0.2 per now, or 0.1 per now. Then whenever it goes in loss, like let's say loss of maybe 20, 30 USD, you add in a 0.1. So having a maximum, if you feel like, unless if I'm also coming into this let's say, if you're not willing to lose that money and you want to make some little amount of, let's say, if you're having 1,000 USD, use something like 0.20. Okay, if you really want to make maybe some small money like 500 USD, if you're a risk taker, then you will have in 0.5 in 2,000 USD. Even 1,500 USD can do it, but on our entry level, yeah, that's how things could actually move. But I don't know, is it that the markets are not moving, or let me check actually. Like it is in one place. I don't know why. I'm having Nasdaq said, Stuart, I can help you make stream the same chats you're streaming in YouTube, the same on TikTok. Okay, thanks, bro. We shall, I think, link up and see how to do it. Tiff Tour said, mentor, some of us we are up and down driving. We can't make it on live. You're gonna drop it in VIP. I'm going to drop it in VIP group, but I'm also soon gonna start for you copy trading. So even if you don't bother to also come on live, me, I'll be trading, and you know is how I trade. Eh, guys, you know what's happening? Let's buy gold now. I think my internet paused. Let's go buy gold now, please. Might entry but yatuuse neeyita nawo. Kyo kigituuseko kubanga MT5 takeoff. Guys, guys, still on. I've noticed something. You could actually buy gold now because it has reached the entry levels, but here it wasn't showing. I also saw it paused. I was like, why is it pausing? I don't know if it's my internet. But if you could actually hear me, you could go buy gold right now. The good thing if people on YouTube could still hear me. Please go by God right now. Njagala kuba muko wa swagger. So guys, I don't know if you're in buys. I've got issues with my internet. I've got issues with my internet. I don't know. Njagala kuba muko wa swagger. So guys, you seeing what I'm telling you now? My trading view is also back, I think. But we had issues, right? We had issues with network. The entry had already reached the level, bro. And you guys were also not telling me. You guys were also not telling me we had already reached our entry level. We shall not use maybe the setup that I was using. I don't know how many pips are these. Okay, let's make them 2. Okay, something like that. I think we shall consider this. I've got some issues with internet. Guys, me I'm in profits. I don't know what's happening on your screens right now. Could you please tell me? People on TikTok, can you please join our YouTube channel? I'm in blues. Guys, tell me on YouTube, are you also making in some money? Could you please guys alert me if you're making some money? Please tell me. Njagala kubeera muko wa swagger. Guys, tell me I win profits, guys. It's a sniper entry. Guys, tell me I win profits. Are we making some money, guys? Tell me. Guys, tell me, are we making in some profits? This is a sniper entry. Network had jumped into our things. I win profits. Bro, win profits too, but the problem I'm using demo. don't worry. Maybe next time you will have a live account to use. Why? Church leo mko? And one thing I want to tell you guys is that you should always know what you should actually you should always know what the market always capable of, right? So now for me, remember we had in that blackout of the internet, okay? Now see, we had in the issues of internet, right? So I had in some positions at first that I put in, right? So with those positions, I was able to see that I layered in a lot. I put in let's say I put in some lot sizes. Then I waited for the market to actually go deep down. Then I added in more entries. So what happened after that? I closed in some entries that I entered first, and I left in the entries that I entered below. But I don't know. Today I'm getting issues with all this. I don't know what's happening. My computers. I don't know what's happening. Instead of using, can someone use $10? Yeah, $10 are good. So now the positions that I entered, I'm getting issues with this laptop. Okay, let me see. Zinenako, zero mazinyiga, zinenako, zero ma, zinenako. I don't know what's happening. Okay, even if the stream ends here, the good thing we know what we own right now, and we shall be having in these live trading sessions every single day. Let me see. Zero ma zinenako, zero ma zinega zinenako, zero ma. So let's continue with our live trading session. Sorry that I had to. Zero ma zinega zinenako, zero ma. Now guys, remember one thing that I talked about. Remember one thing that I talked about. I talked about manipulations, right? And I told you that in most cases market can do some manipulations, because I had shown you it had like it was like in one area and it wasn't moving, and I told you that we could get some manipulations then after market moves. So I'm also waiting for it to move. For me, in most cases, I always wait for these wicks here, the manipulations. I'm a liquidity seeker. I always wait for the liquidity to be made somewhere somehow. Mm. Now there you can add in more positions. Unamvuka order fling, it just come 10 minutes. Yeah, you add in more positions, then we hold and see. Kakana kumutima. Nowadays gold is heavy, so we should always consider on what lot size are we using. This young man on TikTok, legendary order flow. The summary is not a person of violence unless you ask for it. But I told you one thing. President Museveni was somewhere and he said something. He said he said, "Go and eat your mother's something." Yeah, he was in public. So it's the same thing I'll send to you, order flow, bro. I don't have time for fools. So now, once we get a very good move, I'm sure we shall make some money, but we need to first close above the entries. And the bad thing is that this 15 minutes candle is actually not moving the way I want it to move. But we shall hold it small. I'm sure I'm in profits. If I could show you my screen, you don't know I'm in profits. Zeni Monaco. So, as legendary, you're not sending any message. Maybe you've gone to do what I told you.